guys, it's Christy with WTI. Do you ever get frustrated when you go to open a dresser drawer and it's a disorganized mess? Well, I found a great organizational solution so that your drawer will no longer look jumbled, but will look like this, much cleaner and prettier in appearance. These are drawer dividers. What's nice about these is they work off of a spring mechanism. So you see how that works? So they're completely customizable and are gonna fit any drawer. You simply push in the spring, slide them into your drawer, and then release the spring to the depth of your drawer, and voila, you instantly have a divider. These are made of bamboo. They're really pretty, very durable. They've got these cushions on both sides to ensure that they're not gonna scratch the wood within the drawer that you place them in. But I'm really happy with them. They've really made a difference. And if you want a nice, pretty, organized drawer, I know you're gonna love these. And that's my point of view.